Hello everybody, I'm Sandra Flores, and the name of my activity is How Many Altogether? And we'll be focusing on number sentences. The objectives for students will be to be able to identify, recognize small groups of numbers, be able to count the correct number of manipulatives, and to have an understanding of what the plus sign and equal sign mean. So this lesson plan would be for, let's say, kindergarten. That's what I would say. And I'm using a dry erase board, dry erase markers, and pennies. You can use many other things. Okay, so just as an introduction, I would have a group of pennies together, and I will ask the student to tell me how many pennies there are altogether. Now, he could either count them one by one, or he'll be able to recognize the group, and that's what I'm looking for. And I will do this a couple of times before I actually get started into the actual lesson plan. Now, to get started, I will have, let's say, a row of 3 and a row of 2. I will ask the student to tell me the amount of pennies on this row, and when he answers, I'll ask him to tell me the amount of pennies on this row. So he'll say 3 and 2. So when after he's identified the amount of number, I'm going to write it down. I'll say 3 and 2 make how many? How many does 3 and 2 make together? And then he'll count. He can move them, group them together on this side if he needs to, and I will write the number 5. So 3 and 2 make 5. So that is the same as 3 plus 2 equal 5. And that's the main idea, to get him to recognize plus and equal. And I will repeat this with different numbers, at least, I don't know, 3 more times, or whenever I feel that he has understood, or if I see he's just frustrated and is not understanding, I will stop. And I will continue with examples. Now, to assess his understanding or her understanding, I will set up again some pennies or whatever it is you want to do. So here I have 3 and 3. So I will say, I will no longer wait until he gives me the numbers. I will just set it up like 3 plus 3 equals, and have him answer. And this is to check if he really understands the significance of these symbols. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.